So to my right, that hill is phase 1 of the landfill, but everything that you see here is owned by Metro Waste Authority. It is Metro Park East landfill property. We just have the restored prairie, the wetlands, and the natural area that Metro Waste Authority maintains. So prairie used to be native to Iowa, and it still is native in certain areas, but we have repurposed a lot of our land to use it for other purposes like farming or housing. And so a restored prairie is an area where we have taken a space that was previously used for something else and restored it to the natural way it was. Restored prairie is a really fundamentally important ecosystem for so many insects, migratory animals, birds. I mean, it provides shelter, food, habitat for so many different species. When we take it away and replace it with farmland, it dehomes and displaces a lot of species. It does away with the insects that are the foundation for the food web for a lot of things, those plants that are foundational for those insects. I mean, it just kind of has a cascading effect on the ecosystem itself. So restoring it allows for that to be reestablished.